Welcome to MarineMax, Maryland. This is Perry with the sales team. Right now we're going to do a 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This is the new model. We got a horizon hull color with the stone interior. Really nice swim platform back here. We have a black Mercury 300 horsepower outboard. Water sports tower with bimini. The amount of storage on this boat is extremely impressive. Underneath this seat is where your stern drive would be if you had a stern drive, but you open that up and all bags, everything you need for the day can go in there. This is a huge upgrade from the previous 270 SDX. Look at the size of that storage locker. Gas strut, of course, easy up and down. Another storage position here, drained out cooler. So you can put ice drinks in there, and then you have the drain hole there, so you don't have to lug around water throughout the day. And then captain, co-captain chair. This will go forward and back with your bolster. And then you have the co-captain's chair here. I love what Sea Ray did with this port justified walkthrough. It gives you so much room for your head, double wide seating here, and then you still have a very comfortable seat over here to the port side. As we walk over to the dash and the helm station, induction phone charging. This is your Mercury binnacle with active trim, electronic start stop. There's your engine key on off. Twin Simrad displays, they mirror each other. Lenco trim tabs with indicator. You have all your lighting switches and pumps, horn, Sea Ray's tilt steering wheel, comfortably located here. It's a very comfortable, running angle as far as visibility wise. You push your hand here, rest it right on the throttle. Very natural ergonomic position. And then, yes, you have a head on this boat, of course. Pump out head, freshwater sink. Lots of storage in here, even with the little sitting area. And then this rolls back to give you a little more headroom to go in the boat or in the head. And then again, a little bit port justified walkthrough. Coming up into everyone's favorite part, the bow area, bow lounge area. Seating throughout, handrails, cup holders, storage below, and of course your anchor locker. There's your windlass and anchor below, and then a bow ladder. If you'd like to come take a look at this boat down here at MarineMax Kent Island, please give us a call. Number here is 410-732-1260.